2026 Ferrari Purosangue continues to redefine what a luxury performance SUV can be. While many brands have entered the high-performance SUV market, Ferrari has taken a completely different approach. Instead of building a traditional family SUV, the Italian automaker created a vehicle that delivers the soul of a Ferrari sports car while offering the practicality of 4 doors and 4 seats. The result is a machine that stands apart from everything else on the road. From the very first glance, the Purosangue commands attention. Its sleek and athletic proportions give it a unique presence that doesn't resemble a conventional SUV. The front fascia features slim LED headlights, an aggressive grille design, and sculpted air intakes that enhance both style and aerodynamics. Along the sides, flowing body lines create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The rear section showcases quad exhaust outlets, a sporty diffuser, and elegant taillights that emphasize Ferrari's racing heritage. Large alloy wheels and a low slung stance further reinforce its performance-focused character. Step inside, and the cabin delivers a blend of luxury, technology, and craftsmanship. Premium materials cover nearly every surface, including fine leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents. Ferrari has designed the interior to give both front and rear passengers a first-class experience. The seats provide exceptional comfort and support, making long-distance journeys enjoyable while still holding occupants firmly during spirited driving. The dashboard features a modern digital layout with a driver-focused cockpit. High-resolution displays provide access to vehicle information, navigation, entertainment, and performance data. Rear passengers also benefit from their own dedicated screens, creating a more interactive experience. The spacious 4-seat configuration ensures that everyone travels in comfort, while the cargo area offers enough practicality for weekend getaways or everyday use. Under the hood is where the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue truly shines. Power comes from Ferrari's legendary naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. This remarkable power plant produces breathtaking performance while delivering one of the most exciting engine notes available in the automotive world. The V12 generates over 700 horsepower, allowing the Purosangue to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. Despite its larger size compared to Ferrari's sports cars, the vehicle feels remarkably agile and responsive. Advanced all-wheel drive technology helps maximize traction in various driving conditions, while sophisticated suspension systems provide an ideal balance between comfort and performance. Ferrari engineers have carefully tuned every aspect of the chassis to ensure precise handling and exceptional stability. Whether navigating winding mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the Purosangue offers a driving experience that few SUVs can match. Another standout feature is Ferrari's commitment to maintaining a genuine sports car feel. The steering is sharp and communicative, the brakes are incredibly powerful, and the vehicle responds instantly to driver inputs. Every journey feels engaging and exciting, which is exactly what Ferrari customers expect. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity remains a key part of the Purosangue's appeal. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue is expected to start at around $430,000 in the United States, with well-equipped models easily exceeding that figure through customization options. Ferrari's extensive personalization program allows buyers to create a truly unique vehicle tailored to their individual tastes. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue is more than just an SUV. It is a statement of performance, luxury, and innovation. By combining everyday usability with the heart and soul of a Ferrari, it offers an experience unlike anything else in its class. For those seeking the ultimate blend of practicality and pure driving excitement, the Purosangue stands at the top of the performance SUV world.